KFC for us here, taste is the most important factor which we drive in our food.
Where we ensure that the customer gets freshest whole muscle chicken served fresh every single time, and it tastes great.
When the group of passionate people work towards a common goal, we do deliver the great taste every time.
Crispy, golden brown, and packs in a mouthful of goodness and crunch. That is what makes everyone crave a KFC chicken. But what is its recipe for success? What are the special ingredients which make a KFC chicken experience so finger-licking good? And how does your favorite bucket of KFC chicken reach your doorstep? On this episode of Farm to Fork, we take you on a mouth-watering journey of finger-licking, crispy, golden-fried chicken from KFC. A part of the iconic Yum brand's, KFC's original story had a very interesting start. Did you know that when you order a KFC chicken, you are actually tasting a secret recipe that is closely guarded? It's so valuable that KFC recently built a brand new high-tech home for the Colonel's handwritten original recipe from 1940. It's stored in a digital safe that weighs more than 770 pounds and is encased in 2 feet of concrete with a 24-hour video and motion detection surveillance system. 1930s is when the story really begins, with Colonel Sanders opening his first store and offering customers a taste of KFC goodness in Louisville, Kentucky. 1950s is when the signature KFC bucket was introduced for the first time. The first KFC outlet opened in India in the year 1995 in Bengaluru and has now grown to over 300 outlets all over the country.
In a category like food, one always needs to bring in a lot of excitement, and that's exactly what we do with our innovations. The smoky grilled chicken, something completely differentiated from our traditional hot and crispy chicken. We looked at what do our consumers really like, and they're familiar with the grill format, of course, and we also put in familiar flavors. So taking these two together, we got the smoky grilled chicken, and it's done really well for us. India is a rice-eating nation. What we did is we developed very flavorful rice. We put a rich aromatic curry to it, and we added our signature chicken to it. And what one got was rice bowls done in a very cool, trendy way and very, very different. We were the first ones, in fact, to do it in the category.
Hot and Crispy is our signature product, which is loved by each and every guest. Almost in every transaction, we are selling out Hot and Crispy. In the burgers, the Zinger burger is the best one, and it is just loved and yummy product which is loved by the guests a lot.
We get our chicken from farm to fork, right? I think we follow all the stringent quality standards right from the supplier's end. That's the basic job of what our supply chain and the quality controls do it. We source the products from reputed chicken suppliers like Wendy's and Godrej, and our role in the operations is that we receive it after doing the stringent quality checks. And even in the store, we follow various quality standards in terms of about 34 quality checks for us before we actually cook the chicken. And so we train our team members well so that they make it the hard way. It's not just a freezer to fry product. It's not just a processed chicken. It's the whole muscle chicken. It's the real chicken what we cook. They really carefully select every single piece out. They check out and then do a hand braiding, which is the hardest way of it.
Making the Colonel's chicken requires working with the best ingredients, and fresh chicken is the foundation of that process. So yes, KFC is as fresh as it is finger-licking good. This journey really starts at a poultry farm, like this one in Pune. Venky's India, the leading supplier of the choicest and quality guaranteed chicken to KFC India.
KFC is not just the most famous taste in the world, but it's also the taste you can trust. To deliver this taste you can trust, we only source from world-class suppliers. We routinely visit these suppliers to ensure that the most rigorous standards are followed so that only the highest quality ingredients are used in our food and beverages. Venky's is part of the Venkateshwara Hatcheries group. They are the #1 poultry company in the country and they follow all international standards and procedures. Their facilities are ISO 22000 certified. We are very proud to be sourcing our chicken from Venky's.
The birds are very precious stock for us, so we take almost all biosecurity measures to protect the health of the birds in Venky's. In biosecurity measures, we always consider the total disinfection of the sheds before the arrival of the chicks. We put a bedding material such as rice husk in the farm, and in a completely disinfected, washed, cleaned shed with a rice husk, we introduce one-day-old chicks in the shade. These birds from the first day of its introduction to the shade are kept for 38 to 40 days for the growing period, and the birds are grown to the weight of around 1.8 to 2 kilo during this period.
The quality and hygiene standards in place at Venky's are sacrosanct. That is what makes it a preferred supplier for KFC India, which leaves no stone unturned to ensure that quality is paramount right from the very start.
Everything is balanced in a perfect way, so these birds grow healthy. To ensure that they grow healthy, we also have a flock history, ante-mortem report of the birds, to ensure that the birds are healthy and only healthy birds are sent to the processing plant. In Venky's or Venkateshwara group of companies, we have a research and development of the birds. We develop these birds. Our geneticians are developing these birds on a continuous basis, and they made this bird adaptable in last 40 years of their research. These birds grow well. They have least mortality, they have a very good feed conversion ratio, and the birds grow very well during this period. Actually, these birds is a farmer's birds. These are known for the farmer's bird.
Quality and hygiene are one of the most crucial elements of the process, but nothing is more important than the bird.
When we receive the birds from our processing to our processing facility from the various broiler farms, that is, these birds are brought in a very cool and pleasant atmospheric conditions, particularly in the night, which reaches to the processing facility. When they reach to the processing facility, they are kept in a very comfortable place in a holding sheds, where we ensure that a proper ventilation is given to the birds and the temperature is also maintained properly.
The chicken is thoroughly checked for any contamination. Not just that, various chemical tests are also performed to make sure elements like protein and fat are present as per the set standards.
So we only process a healthy chicken which is coming to us, and this healthy chicken is processed further. The water which is used in our processing facility is tested for its quality parameters. It has to be a good potable water and suitable for the processing. We also test various organs of a chicken and the meat of a chicken for the presence of various contaminants. We also conduct various shelf life studies of our products, So to conduct these shelf life studies, we also use this. In addition to that, we have certain chemical parameters to study about our products. So likewise, chicken is a source of protein. We have a protein in chicken. So we also have a fat in the chicken. So all these parameters which are chemically important and which we had to put on a labeling of the products is tested continuously here. And all these labeling for our product is as per the FSSAI norms of Government of India.
From Venky's, pieces of cut chicken are transported in cold storage vans directly to the KFC restaurants spread across the country. This is 100% real chicken, no processing, no fillers. From the time it reaches the KFC chicken in a raw form to the crispy chicken that you eat, this kitchen at the back of every outlet is where this magical transformation takes place.
We call it as open kitchens or the kitchen tours. Basically, we invite our customers who wants to take a tour of the kitchen at any given point of the time at any particular store, right? They can actually ask for the manager that they want to visit our kitchen, and we are more than happy to actually take them to the back of the house and to show them the processes and standards what we do. So in this, we begin with a little bit of demonstration of hand sanitization process. We make them wear the hair nets so that they behave the way our team members are, following all the guidelines of the food standards, right? And we show them various set points of the temperatures, what we follow, whether it is the walk-in chillers or walk-in freezers, whether it is the equipment temperatures, because like I said, we cook our chicken at 170 degrees. A consumer would not know unless we actually share that, right? So that's when they are awestruck that oh, these are the kind of standards for the what we follow out here. And we also feel very proud about showcasing our kitchens because our kitchens are as neat and clean as it is in the front of the house. And what we know is that not many of them would come forward to actually showcase their kitchens, but KFC does it in a unique way because like I said, we do everything in a hard way. When you do in a hard way, you're very confident of your own standards and processes. So I think we should take pride in terms of showcasing our standards and process to our customers, and that's the way we do it through our kitchen tours.
It's time for a very short break, but stay tuned as we bring you lots more from right inside the heart of KFC's kitchens.
You must have experienced the craveable food that KFC offers. This food is exclusive to us and it cannot be made at home.
Step 1 of this process is KFC cooks inspecting each piece of chicken. KFC's signature style breading method, and a pop and sizzle later, there's crispy, finger-licking, delicious chicken all ready to bite into.
Consistency is very, very key. There is no short way or there is no shortcut at all. Like I said, it's hand breaded. It's the hard way is what KFC makes, and every single team member follows all set of standards. Only then we make the product which is good for serving to the customers. At any point of time, if the team member sees that the product is not very well breaded, it doesn't have good flakes, or the color is not in the right appearance and all, they discard it. They don't even think twice. So in that way, we follow that only the best chicken lands into the consumer's plate.
The passion for a perfect meal runs not only with the topmost management of KFC India, but that same thread of passion permeates down to the kitchen staff, who are the face of KFC for consumers in India.
We have our systems, a good set of processes and tools which include our own audit mechanisms. We do market visits to ensure that the things are in place every time. But most importantly, what we focus is on the guest experiences. The voice of the customers is heard so clearly within our systems that we have put two systems basically in place. One is how do we get the customer's feedback from the guest experience survey portal that we have, and second is the customer recovery process that we have. We get a lot of feedbacks from the customers, so clubbing both the customer's feedback, our processes and the audit mechanism, we do ensure with a lot of passion that the food goes fresh, hot and fresh and finger licking to the consumers every time.
While the kitchen staff is busy dishing out the signature crispy chicken and other mouth-watering offerings, there is this intuitive, innovative group of food researchers at KFC who are the brain behind each new offering from KFC's menu.
Here we have the full innovation team here at KFC, and right now we're doing a lot of tasting and brainstorming on some new products. There's a lot of chicken here which you can see, and we're developing new flavors around it.
It is their expert palate, judgment and taste sense which decides what new offerings can KFC India innovate on, and needless to say, they are always hungry for more chicken.
We eat a lot of chicken and we love it. That's the best part of our job. And I think it's important because ultimately that's what we're serving to our consumers, and we have to ensure we're giving them the best product possible. So this goes for tasting, all of us taste it. It then goes for testing, multiple rounds of consumer validation, and then finally we get that perfect product which we launch.
You must have experienced the craveable food that KFC offers. This food is exclusive to us and it cannot be made at home. Now with this great tasting finger licking food, we provide convenience to customers that they can order this food at their home. So combination of this high quality food and fresh food to their convenience adds a lot of impetus to the brand, and it does add a lot of value to us as a brand.
In today's fast-paced life, it's not just enough to get customers to a KFC outlet. But what makes a difference is taking a step further and reaching out to the customer.
Distance is one of the important parameters. You know, we are very focused on delivering that safe, hygienic and fresh food to the customers. So we have our parameters of temperatures, hygiene, food safety. So we do not go beyond 8 kilometers of drive distance, again at a speed of 40 kilometers. You know, we have to ensure that the riders are safe. Hence, we have safety mechanisms put in our bikes that no bike can travel more than 40 kilometers per hour at a speed of. And hence, at the speed of 40 kilometers per hour and 8 minutes of the drive time is our cutoff. So you may be having a building which is 8.1 minutes, but we do not serve there because we are focused on the quality, and we believe that the fresh quality goes to the customers and he will come back to us again.
Rider out, drive safe. Thank you.
It is a common sight to see delivery boys outfitted in their signature uniforms, bearing food and braving city traffic, delivering crispy chicken and smiles to happy and satisfied customers.
In today's world of high traffic area, people being very busy with work, there is no time actually to cook at home. Now, if they think of a food and if they think of a finger licking chicken, KFC comes to their mind. Now we have got a lot of systems and processes and tools today in the world of technology. We are so available to them in front of applications, websites, call centers, that if they think of ordering food from KFC, there are multiple channels that they can order from. And hence we are very conveniently placed in customers' mind that if they want to order food, there are multiple ways and venues that they can use.
Passion for a crispy chicken, which was ignited decades back in small county, is the fuel which ignites the team at KFC India.